She loves them. She wants to taste them.
She wants to taste them.
Oh my goodness.
Hi.
That's a little boy.
Hi, buddy.
Aww.
So do you guys usually sell the boys, or you guys?
The boys we do sell them because we
you
don't
don't. Yeah, you don't need them, right?
Yeah, so we keep whoever we're gonna keep as a stud.
Nice. Chica.
Big floppy ears.
So cute.
Because we have two different herds. We got this one and then we have another one. So we breed the boys, the males and females from this herd. We breed them to the other one.
Right. Got you. That way they're not crossbreeding or interbreeding them or whatever.
Yeah, we don't interbreed because they have problems.
We have one that's actually about half the size of this one.
Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I want to see that. That's so cool.
Are you? Be nice, Chief, okay? No barking. No barking, Chief.
He's just trying to be protective, huh? And the goats do pretty good up here with the weather and everything, huh?
They do very good. We just have a little shelter for them.
Yeah.
And then, and so they do pretty good. Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So do you keep the babies by themselves, or does the mom stay in there with
The
her?
mom stays with them for 2 months. And then at the 2 months, we start winging them off.
Okay.
And then we just keep in the nighttime, we leave it with them, and then
During the day.
Backwards. In the daytime, they stay with her, and at night we keep them so that way they can start winging off.
Gotcha.
3 months that's all they need. Some
3
people do
months.
10 weeks of milking,
Yeah.
Yeah, but we do like 3 months.
Wow. Wow, she's huge too. I think it's so funny the way the goats do that with they kneel down.
But that one, she's always had that thing. Between her hooves and for whatever reason
She just likes to go back and forth.
Yeah, but she's really old though.
Oh, she is?
She's our first goat that we started with.
Oh, really?
That one, the black one, Shadow, she gives us 4 each time. I know. It's hard for them because they only have two udders.
That one's super cute. Oh, man.
This one even smaller than this one.
Look at this one, guys. Look how small this one is. It's got blue eyes, too.
Hey, baby, you can grab it.
Oh, yeah, I can hold it. Chief.
Chief, back up.
No. Sit.
Chief. Chief.
Kisses? Kisses? Nice. Yeah. So this one just born yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah, she's just a tiny.
Actually, we have 3 sets that were born yesterday.
Yeah, she just born
3 little
yesterday.
twins.
Oh.
He just wants to kiss him. Nice kisses. Nice kisses.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so they're really tiny. Like that male because they're beginners, and so the babies usually come out a little smaller.
I know.
So cute.
So
And that's a girl or a boy?
This is a little girl.
Little girl.
Yeah, the girl's significant.
We have another boy last night. A lot smaller.
take a picture.
Still smaller?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got him doing a video. He was even smaller.
Yeah, this was the one that was born premature, and we were able to save him.
Oh, wow. Look at him. He's cute.
But they had to be given mouth to mouth, and
Oh, really?
I mean, it was really bad
Yeah, we
yesterday.
had to put a thing in his nose to.
Give him some oxygen?
Yeah. We
Wow.
kind of do our own veterinarian. Yeah.
That's
He
cool.
was born with only 1 gland.
He only has 1 gland.
Yeah, the other one's a bitches inside.
Oh, you want massage? He likes massage.
Yeah, you can pet him.
He's so cute.
Look at it, baby.
Super soft.
Chief,
Chief.
be nice. Chief.
Kisses?
I just.
It's so cute. Wow.
The goats.
Goats.
It's been about 7 years.
7 years.
It all started because I got sick, so we got the goats, and we didn't like the milk. So the goats usually had that strong scent.
Yeah, yeah.
We started breeding them and doing our own, and if you drink a glass of our milk,
You could totally tell.
Milk, it tastes the same. It doesn't taste like cow. It doesn't taste like goat milk.
Oh, it tastes like cow milk.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting.
We got rid of that gamey taste.
Yeah. That's interesting. Yeah, because sometimes that's one thing that, like, when I've eaten like lamb, you know, and then you eat goat, like it definitely has like more of like a gamier taste to it, you know, and that's what's always made me not really like to eat goat.
Yeah, we started with lambs. Now we got a couple of sheep, and we're gonna start breeding them pretty soon.
Oh, that's cool.
But they're still little. We gotta wait till they're 2. I'm gonna put it down.
She's calling for her.
Oh, that's her calling for it?
Yeah, she's calling. She's inside. We kept her inside because just so she can get some rest.
Yeah.
So only one baby made it?
Yeah, 2 died. Yeah.
Oh.
And this is super friendly. Her mom had 3, and then Chief, come on, get out.
Come on, Mila.
Yeah, nice. Be nice to Mila. And so we bottle fed her, and so she's really super friendly.
Her ears are totally different, huh?
Yeah, this one's the La Mancha breed.
Oh, La Mancha. So there's La Mancha, Alpine, and Nubian.
Yeah, there's a lot more.
Oh, there's a lot more. Those
Those are
are
the ones that we deal with. And every one of them will give you a different milk. The Nubian, they give you less milk, but it's got a lot more fat in it. This one, it gives you more whole milk. It's got that really,
Almost lean.
but it's strong. I mean, it's really good. And then
the Alpine.
the Alpine, they give you a lot more milk.
They give you a lot more milk.
And then when you breed them all, then you end up with what we have. They're a mix of La Mancha, Nubian,
And Alpine. Really cool.
Like these girls, these white ones, they're his kids, the male.
Oh, the male over there?
Because we had, last year we had a lot of males. We didn't really have that many females born babies, and so these are just the girls that born out of last year. We kept them.
And those 2 white ones are the sisters to that little tiny one.
And the little lambs, what kind of lambs are those?
Those are dopers.
Dopers?
And they're really loud. I mean,
Are they?
they see you. Right now, they ate a little while ago, so they're not hungry right now.
But when they see you?
Anywhere, they'll start screaming, and they sound like somebody killing someone.
Oh, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, right now, they're looking to see if they're going to get fed again.
Yeah, they're just kind of hanging out.